So I hope you're well and having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the brand new Lush CBD range. I honestly cannot still quite believe that Lush firstly know that I exist, which Lush, if you're watching, big love to you, but also the fact that they do send me PR, it makes me feel so excited I could be physically sick. But anyway, we are going to be going through today the Lush CBD range. They have sent me the products and I honestly just cannot wait to share them with you guys. So without further ado, as always, we are going to dive right in. I hope you guys enjoy the video and carry on watching. So this is the box they've sent me. Honestly, I just cannot quite believe I'm holding this in my little hands. I feel just very overwhelmed, very lucky, very, very thankful. So don't think for 1 minute I'm not grateful. Honestly, it baffles me that this is like my life. But anyway, this is the CBD range. Let's dive in. I honestly just cannot wait. Wow. Okay, so the first thing I have is this. It says, Melody, do you believe in magic? And this is what it looks like. I cannot believe my name is actually on this piece of paper. Can we just take a moment? The attention to detail. Anyway, let's dive into the product. Oh, okay, so the first thing we have in the box is a little Lush tin. Now, I have a feeling this is going to include one of the massage bars. I absolutely love the Lush massage bar, massage bars. So hard to say. And I love the little tins that they can come in. Oh, wow. Oh, that smells delish. I'm not gonna lie, this box is very overpowering with earthy, woodsy, mossy, smoky, dark kind of smell. You guys know that that's not necessarily my favourite smell, but individually, this is definitely lighter. It's got almost like a citrusy undertone. It smells beautiful, so I will show you this one up close. So this is what the massage bar looks like. It says magic on it. It is so beautiful. Again, as I said, I absolutely love the Lush I cannot get my words out. I'm clearly far too excited. The Lush massage bars. So this is the Magic CBD Magnesium Massage Bar, and ingredients wise in this one, it has got cocoa butter, calamine powder. It also has Alipi butter, hemp seed oil, shea butter, moringa oil, mushroom root powder, calamine blue oil, jasmine absolute, violet leaf absolute. That's what I can smell. It's definitely that violet leaf that is really coming through. It has got a very Parma violet kind of undertone to it. It smells actually really good. I love that. 10 out of 10, delish. Next item we have is a shower gel. I absolutely just love Lush shower gels. I will stand by it that Lush shower gels are my absolute favourite of all time ever. I love them so, so much, and I always love the innovative fragrances. I think they're so fun and unique. So this is the Magic Shower Gel. This is a CBD shower gel, and it says lather up to loosen up. This grounding blend of CBD, ylang ylang and chamomile blue is a real mind cleanser and just the ticket for washing away treason. And ingredients wise in this one, we've got sea salt, chamomile blue oil, jasmine absolute, violet leaf absolute, ylang ylang absolute, hemp seed oil, cornstarch. I feel like this is probably going to smell the same as the massage bar, so let's give it a try. I love the colour actually. Let me hold this up so you guys can see. It's a really beautiful green with shimmer. I absolutely love it. I love a good glitter in a shower gel because it looks really pretty and you don't get covered in glitter, but it just looks really nice in the bathroom. I don't know. I just really like it. So let's open this one up and give it a smell. Honestly, I just cannot wait to see what this one smells like. I feel like it is going to smell the same as the massage bar, but let's see what it smells like. Yeah, so this is exactly the same as the massage bar. It's very violety. It has got like an earthy slight undertone to it, but it's not overpowering to the point where I don't like it because I'm not into really, really woodsy smells. This just smells very fresh, very clean. It's definitely something that Ryan would enjoy as well, I think. Yeah, that is absolutely delish. I really, really like that. And again, I just love the look of it, like the shimmer in this. beautiful. The next item we have is the Magic CBD Temple Balm. This is what it looks like. Again, I absolutely love the packaging. I'm really enjoying the like pink and green combo. I think it looks so beautiful. And this one says, a touch of magic for stressful moments, made with 36 milligrams of CBD plus chamomile and jasmine. And ingredients wise in this one, it has jojoba oil, candelia wax, castor oil, it has hemp seed oil, chamomile blue oil, ylang ylang oil, violet leaf. Again, I think this is going to smell exactly the same as the shower gel, but let's see. Yeah, exactly the same again. It's that really beautiful kind of violet leaf that you can smell. It's not overpowering as much as I thought. Originally, I thought it was going to be very earthy, very kind of in your face, woody, kind of mossy, but it's not. It's a very violety smell, and this is what the inside looks like. It's probably not going to focus, but it's so lovely and creamy. And again, you just use this as a temple balm, so you can put this on before you go to sleep, or if you suffer with migraines, maybe something like this would be good. So I'm really excited to try that one. The next item we have is one of the Lush salt cubes. This is the Magic CBD Epsom salt cube, and again, I'm really enjoying the pink and green combo. Will it go brown in the water? Who actually knows? I do not, but again, this has the same smell. So ingredients wise in this one, we have got things like chamomile blue oil, violet leaf absolute, ylang ylang, hemp seed oil. It's all the same ingredients as the rest of the range. It smells again exactly the same. A beautiful violet, fresh kind of smell. I feel like there's not much else I can say in terms of the smell that I haven't already, but it is a beautiful, fresh violet smell. And again, I just love the look of this one with the pink and the green. I think it's a beautiful retro kind of combo, and I really like it. Delicious. The next item we have is the 420 Bath Bomb. This is a re-release. We have had this before. I think I've even had this before, and originally scent-wise, I remember it wasn't my fave. I'm not gonna lie to you. Like, it's a very overpowering, smoky, woodsy, mossy kind of fragrance. However, I do remember using it in the water, and it wasn't as overpowering, and it was actually really, really relaxing and calming, and I did enjoy it. So I'm really excited to give it another try. And again, it's a pink and green bath bomb with the 420 on the front. It's just a really lovely combo. I love the pink and green together. And ingredients wise in this one, we have got petitgrain oil, patchouli oil, ginger oil, celery seed oil, hemp seed oil, cade oil, almond oil. It's just full of loads of lovely oils and fresh things that smell earthy and like garden. So let's give it a smell and see if it smells the same as last time. So yes, this is a very smoky, intense, dark, woodsy, heady, incensey kind of smell. Like, if you don't like strong, woody, overpowering fragrances, you might not like this one. It's not necessarily something I would pick up and buy for myself, if I'm honest. It just isn't a smell that I kind of gravitate towards, but it's not an offensive smell. It doesn't smell horrible. It's just not one I would usually pick, but it is a really calming scent in the water. When you have it kind of dispersed in the water, it's not as overpowering, which is nice. And I do remember really liking this one. So that is the Bath Bomb. Again, it's beautiful, it's green, it's pink, it's lovely, and it smells good. So that is the next item. And last but definitely not least, honestly, I was shook to the core when I saw this box inside of my box, because I feel like this can only contain one thing, and I could be completely wrong, but usually this is a perfume box, which if it is, I feel very spoiled and very lucky and very just grateful for Lush for sending it to me. But let's see what's inside. And of course, inside the box, we did have the 420 perfume, which does contain 1000 milligrams of CBD. If that is something you are interested in, you might really like the fragrance as opposed to the bath bomb, but this is what it looks like. Beautiful packaging as always. I have no doubt that Lush packaging is always lovely. And ingredients wise in this one, it says it's got things like patchouli, petitgrain oil, pimento berry oil, sandalwood, ginger. It's a very, again, smoky fragrance. It is going to be the same, I would presume, as the bath bomb. So let's give it a smell and see what it smells like. I'm scared to spray too much of it in case it's really strong. So I'm just going to do one spray and see what it smells like. So this, again, obviously smells the same as the bath bomb, but it's definitely got something else to it. I feel like it's got a little bit more, I don't know if it's like a citrus note or something in there that smells a little bit different. It actually smells really good. I can see Ryan really liking this one, actually. I might see if he wants to use some, because This is definitely a smell that I think he would enjoy. It's something very smoky and earthy, and that's what he really likes, but that actually smells quite good, I'm not gonna lie. Wow. Wow. So those are all of the products for the Lush CBD range. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video, and I would love to know down below, is this something you're interested in? Let me know. Do you use CBD? Is it something that you are really excited to try? I never even thought of trying it myself, but I'm excited to try all these products and see how I get on with them. So thank you so much, Lush, as always, for sending me a PR box. I feel so extremely lucky, and I'm just very grateful. So yeah, thank you so much, and thank you guys so much for watching as always. If you haven't subscribed, please do, and also if you haven't put the bell notification on, also make sure you do, and then you will never miss a video. And that is everything. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.